Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy. So I've been experimenting with some natural teas recently that are good for singers, and I love this particular tea. It is so delicious, so I just wanted to quickly share it with you. So let's talk about the 4 simple ingredients. You've got Manuka honey, which is really useful for us singers because it packs a serious health punch. It has antibacterial properties and it's just excellent for supporting us during the winter months, even though here in London we're literally going into the summer right now. And then there's ginger because it has warming properties, it increases blood flow, it's anti-inflammatory and full of antioxidants, and yeah, it's just really great for soothing an irritated throat and really just boosting the immune system when we're sick. Now, cinnamon, which is a herb that can really help when it comes to clearing the throat of secretions. It has antibacterial properties and it's just a really helpful herb for us to have as singers. And then there's orange, which is full of vitamin C, which is good for boosting our immune system and aiding in tissue repair. As singers, we need vitamin C. So let's make the tea. So I've got my cinnamon, just adding my cinnamon in here, just breaking it up a little bit. And then, ooh, don't want to add too much cinnamon. Then I've got my ginger. I have to be careful because I don't like it too gingery, but I'm going to smash that up, mix that up together. All right, then I'm going to get my tea strainer. I forgot the name of this on the last video. It's a tea strainer. Put it in there, put it in your tea strainer. And then pop that into your glass or your cup, your teacup. Once that's in there. So now what I like to do is I like to squeeze a little bit of orange in there just to give it a little bit more flavor. So I'm going to squeeze some orange in, just a little bit. And then I am actually going to put a piece of orange in there as well. Need to boil the kettle, forgot to boil the kettle. Then I'm going to add my Manuka honey. Probably hear the kettle in the background. And then we're just waiting for the kettle. Okay, now the kettle's boiled, so we're going to put our water in there. Going to stir it up. Stir it up just a little bit. We want to just let that simmer for a little bit so that all the flavor gets in there. Nice. All right, so we're just going to wait a few minutes until it is ready to drink. Also, make sure you give it a good stir because I just looked and my Manuka honey is in the bottom, just chilling there. So make sure you give it a good stirring. All right. You have to excuse me. It's Friday. Gosh, it's like 20 to 9 on a Friday, and it's been a busy week, but I just wanted to record this. So my tea is ready. I know it probably doesn't look that appetizing, but I'm telling you, it's really nice. It's really delicious. It's really hot. Ah, so good. This makes me just want to get into bed, get a good book and do some reading. Have a lovely weekend.